This demonstration will review how a CIO at a financial services firm would use Sage Intacct's dashboards and reporting to gain insight into investment trends across multiple funds. With Sage Intacct, track information that is important to financial services firms, like investments. Our real-time dashboards will enable your financial users to gain insight into investment trends as they are happening. Let's take a look at a dashboard created for our wealth asset management company, Falconridge. This Chief Investment Officer dashboard includes many components specifically catered to information focused on investment tracking. For example, these performance cards here at the top of my dashboard display our investment mix at a quick glance with visual indicators alerting us to trends in the data. As we navigate through our dashboard, we can evaluate our investments in different ways to understand all aspects of our investment data. Whether we display that in performance cards, reports, or graphs, we can see the trends. With access to real-time information, your investment-focused users like CIOs and fund managers will now be able to recognize investment trends as they are happening and address them in the appropriate manner. For example, recognizing our investment mix could use more diversification and executing a plan to increase our investments in hedge funds. Sage Intacct will also enable your financial services firm to have insight across different basis activities, giving you the ability to track at cost and fair market value for every investment. Here we can see a report for investment detail, breaking out across cost basis, fair value adjustments, and fair market value. The dimensional structure of Sage Intacct will give your team the power to record or mass import journal entries that track investments at an activity level basis. As we drill into this report, we can see numerous journal entries imported into Sage Intacct by the fund manager, detailing the adjustments to market by investment. If you would like, we can streamline the creation of your fair value adjustment entries by connecting Sage Intacct directly to your custodians with our marketplace partner, Knowledger. Now, rather than having to wait until month end to evaluate investment standings, the CIO can gain insight into investments at cost basis and fair market value at any time with Sage Intacct automating the fair value adjustments tracking process. With Sage Intacct's multi-entity structure, CIOs will be able to track investments across multiple funds. In this case, we are looking into the real-time consolidation of two funds, Falconridge Capital and RPB Alternatives. We can see this further detailed at our fund comparison report. Create custom reports like this to evaluate and compare fund performance. In this report, we are exclusively interested in the performance of the fund's private equity investments. With Sage Intacct performing the real-time consolidations for you, have as many consolidation groupings as you need for fund comparisons. Use the filters at the top here to filter across fund groupings or individual funds. For example, I can evaluate only RPB alternatives across the entire dashboard, and then further filter it down to only show data associated with the cost basis. With Sage Intacct, automating your multi-fund reporting, easily compare fund performance in real time to determine which fund managers are bringing in the best return for your investors. In conclusion, Sage Intacct will enable your investment-focused users to evaluate investment data in real time across multiple funds and in cost basis as well as fair market value.